Hello everyone, this is Sanju. Welcome to Vitamin IAS Academy. In this class we are going to discuss about class 2 of ratio and proportions. Before that, who is watching this video first time, please go to class number 1. It is in comment section. Then you will understand more clearly. Class 1 video ni comment section lo pin chesandi. And please do subscribe to Vitamin IAS Academy and like and share this video to your friends. Let's start model number 6. Question number 1. 2 times of A is equal to 3 times of B, then what is the value of A is to B? So here 2A is equal to 3B, then what is the value of A is to B? So to solve this question we have two methods, method 1 and method 2. In this method, first method, we can go with the traditionally, it is called as a traditional method. We can say 2A is equal to 3B. Here 2 is multiplication of A, so if you are just multiplying factor, if you are sending to this side after equal, then it will be divisible, am I right? So if you are keeping A here, if you are sending 2 to that side, then 3 by 2 will happen and B, and just send this B to this side. A by B is equal to 3 by 2, means A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2. Same like that, in the second method, by seeing the question only we can solve it by simply interchanging the value, means 2A is equal to 3B, just interchange the 3 to this side and 3 to this side, I mean 2 to this side, then you will get that 3 is to 2 is the value, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 2 is the value. Now question number 2. 20% of A is equal to 50% of B, then what is the value of A is to B? 20% of A is equal to 50% of B. Here percentage means 20 by 100, am I right? A is equal to 50 by 100 of B. Just get cancel of common, 0 0 get cancel, 100 100 get cancel, means 2A is equal to 5B. So 2A is equal to 5B, same like this, just interchanging the value here, then you will get the answer, means 5 is to 2. Or else you can go with the traditional method, 2A is equal to 5B, simply keep A here, just send this to this type, then 5 by 2 B, A is equal to, means A is to B, A by B is equal to 5 by 2, A is to B is equal to 5 is to 2. Same like that, so you will get the answer like 5 is to 2 only. The third question, 1 by 30 of A is equal to 1 by 50 of B. So just cancel here, 0 0 cancel, means 15B is equal to 13A, am I right? 13A. Then they are asking what is the value of B. What is the value of B? Means simply we can just solve it. 15B is equal to 13A. The B is equal to 13 by 15A. Am I right? So 13 by 15A will be the answer. If they are asking about A is to B, then it will be B by A is equal to 13 by 15. A is to B is equal to 15 is to 13. Am I right? See, A is equal to 15, B is equal to 13. Or else B is to A, if they are asking, then 13 is to 15. In this model we can discuss about these type of question. 2 types of A is equal to 3 types of B, or 20% of A is equal to 30% of B. So these type of question can be come into the group level, like 4, like 3 and RRB or other PSC exams. We will see this type of questions, and we will go to the next model. In earlier model we deals with the 2 variables only. Coming to here, we deals with the 3 variables, like A is to B is to C. So in these 3 variables we will deal with this, and just start with our first question. First question is 2 times of A is equal to 3 times of B is equal to 4 times of C. Then what is the value of A is to B is to C? So here 2 times of A is equal to 3 times of B is equal to 4 times of C. To solve this question we have two methods. First method is traditional method and second method is Salman Khan method. So in traditional method, we have to find LCM here. We have to find LCM here. So what is the LCM here? See, 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. We can write like this: 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So what is the here 2 and 3 and 4? We have to take 2, 3, 4 LCM. So in this way we will get the LCM here. So 2 ones are 3, 2 twos are, and 3 into 2 into 2, nothing but 12 will be the LCM. This LCM keep here, means 12 by 2 is 12 by 3 is 12 by 4. Then if you are dividing 12 into 2, then it will get the answer 6, and it will get 4, and it will get 3. So 6 is to 4 is to 3 will be the answer for this question. This is traditional method, LCM. Second method is Salman Khan method or Shah Rukh Khan method, whatever you can write. I mean your favorite name or something else. Just you need to know 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. Okay. So if you want to know a value, then keep ignoring a, just remaining value you should multiply. Means if you want to know a value, then keep ignore a, remaining value will be 3 into 4. Same like that, if you want to know b value, keep ignoring b, and remaining values like 2 into 4. Same like that, c, keep ignoring c. If you want to know the c, then remaining value will be 2 into 3. Understood? ఫస్ట్ ఏ కావాలంటే మనం ఏని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేసి రిమైనింగ్ ఏ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ వాల్యూస్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. బి వాల్యూ కూడా అంతే. బి వాల్యూ కావాలంటే బి వాల్యూని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేసి ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో రిమైనింగ్ లైక్ ఏ అండ్ సి వాల్యూస్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. సేమ్ గోస్ టు సి ఆల్సో. సి వాల్యూ కావాలంటే సిని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేసి 2 into 3 చేయాలి. సో జస్ట్ నో 12, 3 into 4, 12, 2 into 4, 8, and 2 into 3, 6. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా 12 is to 8 is to 6. 12 is to 8 is 6. Just get cancelled by 2. Am I right? 2 6 are, 2 4s are, and 2 3s are. Means 6 is to 4 is to 3. So same like that it came now. So these are the two methods. First method is LCM method. Second method is, you can call it a shortcut or Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan, whatever. In this second method you have to ignore what you want. మీన్స్ ఏ వాల్యూ కావాలంటే ఏని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసి రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూస్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఏని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేసి బి అండ్ సి 3 and 4. అలానే బిని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేసి రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ ఉంది 4 and 2. అలానే సిని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేసి రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ ఉంది 2 into 3. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ లైక్ 6 is to 4 is to 3. Coming to second question, 6 times of A is equal to 7 times of B is equal to 12 times of C. Simply we can go with the second method, like 6a is equal to 7b is equal to 12c. So if you want to know a value, then you have to keep ignoring a, means a value is equal to 7 into 12 is, b value కావాలంటే b ని ignore చేసేయాలి, and it can be 6 into 12. అలానే c value కావాలంటే c ని ignore చేయాలి. You should multiply remaining values like 6 into 7. So what is the common factor here? 6. 6 2s are, 6 1s are, 6 1s are, means 7 2s are 14 east, 1 12s are 12 east, 1 7s are 7. Means what is the value of here? 14 is 12 is 7. If you go with the LCM method also, same values will come. So now third question, same like that. If you want to know, here saying that 8a is equal to 9b is equal to 11c, then what is the value of a is to b is to c? If you want to know a, then keep ignoring a, then what will happen? 9 into 11. అలానే b కావాలనుకుంటే b ని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేసి రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఏమవుతున్నాయి? 11 into 8. అలానే c వాల్యూ కావాలంటే c ని ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేయాలి, అప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఏమున్నాయి? 8 into 9. So what is the value of 9 11s are 99 is 11 8s are 88, 8 9s are how much? 8 9s are 72. This will be the ratio of A is to B is to C. Same like that in 4 parameters. You can solve 4 parameters also. Here 4 parameters means if you want to A, keep ignoring A, remaining factors will be multiplied. Means if you want to A, then 3 into 4 into 5. If you want to B, the remaining values like 2 into 4 into 5. If you want to C, then keep C is ignoring, then what is the remaining value? 2 into 3 into 5. Alane D value kavalanunte keep D value ignore, then what will happen? 2 into 3 into 4. If you solve this, then you will get the answer. So simple way to get this answer is shortcut, and Salman Khan method is very useful method to solve this type of question too easily, and within short time you can easily solve. So let us know about next model. Before this, just see it again. We have two models here. First model is traditional model and the second model is shortcut model. Shortcut model is very efficient to do it because you can do easily by just looking at the sum only. You can do easily. If you're practicing more, then you will be really good at this model. Just try to practice more. Let us know about the next model. This model is very important, and this model is really important. Why? Because number of questions asked in the exams are very high here, like in group 1 and group 2 and RRB, even SSC. These type of questions are very hot favorite for these type of examinations like SSC, RRB, group 1, group 2, any state services. That's why we have to focus on this type of model is more. So let us know about it. A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2 and B is to C is equal to 2 is to 3. Means 1 is to 2 A, B, and B is to C is nothing but 2 is to 3. So how to solve these type of questions? Simply we have two methods. For example, first method is, for example, A, B is there, and second ratio is X and Y. Just go with this. First one is that if you want to know A value, then A and X should be multiplied. A and X should be multiplied. Means A value if you want AX, and next value is BX, and later value will be BY. This can be a first method. Means if you're solving 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3. First method is AX, means 1 into 2, 1 into 2. Second thing is that just go with this B into X means 2 into 2. And third thing is that 2 into 3, because B, Y. Am I right? First is that you have to multiply this side, and then you have to multiply this side, and you have to multiply this time. So 1 into 2, 2, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 3s are how much? 6. Just you can divide into the 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 1 is to 2 is to 3. This answer will be 1 is to 2 is to 3, 1 is to 2 is to 3. This type of things is the first model. The second model, we can go with this. The second model is so simple. 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 3. This is the question they ask, am I right? Just fulfill the vacant places. By adjacent numbers. Means here 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 3. Here the vacant place is here and vacant place is here. Just keep this 2 into this place and keep this place 2 into this place. Means 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3. So just adjacent places are like this now, 2 and 2. Just multiply, then you will get the answer. Means 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, and 2 into 3, 6. Again 2 factor, if you are saying that 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 1 is to 2 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is to 3. So just see, the second method is so simple. Just you have to fill the vacant places, means 1:2, 2:3, then you have to vacant. This is the places are vacant na, so you have to fulfill, means ఈ ఖాళీ ఉన్న ప్లేసెస్ లో adjacent లో పక్కన ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే ఉందో ఆ నెంబర్ తో ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయాలన్నమాట. పక్కన ఏ నెంబర్ ఉంది దీనికి, ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ కి సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ కి, ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ కి 2 అనేది దగ్గర ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది 2 తో మనం ఫిల్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ లో 2 అనేది దగ్గరగా ఉంది ఇటువైపు, అందుకు దీన్ని 2 తో ఫిల్ చేయాలి. మీన్స్ simply we can say, for example, again we are taking another example, A is to B and C is to D, for example. So this is the vacant place and this is the vacant place. So ఏమని చెప్పాను, adjacent place లో ఏమైతే ఉన్నాయో దాంతో ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయాలని చెప్పేసి అన్నాను. సో ఈ వేకెంట్ ప్లేస్కి adjacent ఏముంది, B, am I right? ఇక్కడ B రాసుకోవాలి. ఈ ప్లేస్లో adjacent ఏముంది, C, అంటే ఇక్కడ C రాసుకోవాలి. C ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్లో B రాసుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్లో C రాసుకున్నాం. A ఇంటూ C ఇప్పుడు A వాల్యూ అవుతుంది, B ఇంటూ C ఇక్కడ B వాల్యూ అవుతుంది, B ఇంటూ D ఇక్కడ C వాల్యూ అవుతుంది. సో దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ సాల్వ్. సో 2 మెథడ్స్ మనం చెప్పుకున్నామండి. వన్ ఈజ్ దట్ యారో మెథడ్, లైక్ AX BY BY, AX BX BY, సింప్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ యారో మెథడ్. సెకండ్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ దట్ వేకెంట్ ప్లేసెస్ అండ్ సింపుల్గా మనం ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసి దాన్ని ఈజీగా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. దిస్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ ఎఫిషియంట్, మోర్ ఈజీ, బికాస్ if you're giving so much of big numbers also na, this method will be tricky. This method will be too tough to solve if they're giving more calculations. But coming to here, this method is so tricky because adjacent place lo emundo aa oka number ni manam aa place lo vesesi manam multiply easy chesevochu. That's why this method is more efficient than this arrow method. Now second question, just see the second question. A is to B and B is to C are 1:2 and 3:4 respectively. Then A is to B is to C. So here so simple, just like before only. You can use any of them. You can use the arrow method, or you can use the second method what we used just 2 minutes before. So same like that, just use it and tell me the answer in the comment box. So this type question is very easy. Just solve it and tell me the answer in a comment box. Let's see how many members can do it. In this third question, A is to B is equal to 7:8 and B is to C is equal to 12:13. Then what is the value of A is to B is to C? Same way, we have 2 methods here. First method is arrow method, second method is that substitution method. So go with the substitution method only because so easy it is. So A is to B is nothing but 7:A and the B is to C is nothing but 12:13. So it is vacant here and this is also vacant. Just fulfill with the adjacent number, nothing but 8 and nothing but here 12. So simply multiply this term, means A is equal to 7 into 12 is and 8 into 12 and 8 into 13. So here common factor you can easily divide 4 3s are 4 2s are 4 2s are, means 7 3s are 21 east, 2 12s are 24 east and 2 13s are 26. This will be A east B is to C. Simply we can say this, and if you want to know, this is useful for the 4 parameters also, like 4 parameters they are giving, like A is to B is to C. For example, X Y Y Z A B. For example, they are saying that X is to Y, Y is to Z, A is to B. If you want to solve X is to Y is to Z is to A, then simply we have to, this is also vacant, this is also vacant, am I right? This is vacant and this is vacant and this is vacant, this is vacant. Simply adjacent values are there na, Y, you have to transfer these values, Y Y Z, and A is a adjacent value here. A అనేది adjacent value గా ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ vacant places ని A తో fulfill చేయాలి. అలానే Y is also. So if you are just solving X Y A, then you will get the X value, Y A, then you will get the y value. YZA, then you will get the z value. If you want to know a value, YZB, it can be the a value. Like 4 parameters also. If you just want to know, then 5 parameters also. You can do it like this by fulfilling the adjacent places. Simply we can solve it. 4 or 5, whatever the parameters if they are giving. So easily you can solve by this method, adjacent method. By solving these type of models is very important, because in SSC, in RRB, alane group 1, APPSC group 1, TSP, Telangana state PSC lo kuda ee type of questions radaniki there is huge chances are there. That's why you need to practice more and more these type of questions. Model number 9, this is very important questions. We can see in the SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, MTS and RRB, and even group 1, group 2 also you can see this type of questions. So let us solve this type of question. First question is, A is 16 2/3% more than B and B is 12 1/2% more than C. Then find A is to B is to C. Here we have two questions here. Okay, this is the first question and this is the second question. The first question, if you solve it, A is 16 2/3% of B. Means this is complex fraction. Am I right? 16 2/3. Then it is converted into the simple fraction, like 16 2/3, 16 2/3. Just convert into the simple fraction means 50/3 into 1/100. Am I right? It can be go 1/6 will be the answer. Means 1/6. A is 1/6 more than B. So here more it is coming. We already discussed in the model number 3 or model number 2 or model number 3. More, if it is coming more, then we have to go with the numerator plus denominator by denominator. Means 1 plus 6/6. Nothing but 7/6. A is 7 by, here A is 7/6 than B. Then what will happen? This will be this and this. Means 7:6. A is to B is equal to 7:6. 7:6. So this is the first part, and now solve the second part. We already get the A is to B. Now we have to get the second part. So this is also complex fraction. You have to convert to simple fraction. So 12 1/2%. 12 1/2%. In this 12 1/2%, we can easily convert into the 12 1/2 means 25/3 into 1/100. Am I right? It can be 1/8. 1/8 means B is 1/8 more than C. More than C. So more it is coming means denominator plus numerator by denominator means 9/8. B is 9/8 C. Means 9 it can be the this side and 8 it can be right side. Means B is to C is equal to 9:8. We already know A is to B is equal to 7:6 and B is to 6 is equal to 9:8. So easily we can find A is to B is to C by substitution method. Okay, just know A is to B is equal to 7:6. Am I right? And B is to C is equal to 9:8. So this is a vacant place and this is a vacant place. Just replace this 9 into this place 9. Then what will happen? 7 into 9 is 6 into 9 is 6 into 8. In the common factor is 3. 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 2s are. So by solving this question, you will get the answer 7 into 3 is 2 into 9 is 6, 2 into 8. Sorry. Then you will get that 21 is 18 is 16. This will be the A is B is C value. This is very important model. You will get every exam like a CGL, CHSL. In next video we will discuss about the previous year's questions which comes like this. Like this type of models always coming. That's why in the next video we will discuss about previous years along with the different models questions we will discuss. Before that, just see second question. In this second question, again two parts. First part is that 11 1 by 9 more, and second part is that 25%, nothing but 1 by 4 less. Here less means numerator by numerator, or denominator minus numerator by denominator, you can say like this. Okay, and here more means numerator plus denominator by denominator. So same like that you can solve it, then you will get the A is to B is to C. Okay, and third question, 75% less than B means 75% means 75 by 100 means nothing but 3 by 4. 3 by 4 less means here what is that difference here, you have to know 1 by 4. Then B is 50%. 50% means 50 by 100, nothing but 1 by 2, and more. More means we have to accumulate it, nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1 is to 4 and 3 is to 2. So 1 is to 4 and 3 is to 2. Replace with this question 3 and 4, then you will get the 3 is to 12 is to 8. This will be the answer for this question. And just please solve question number 2 and comment the answer below. Okay, I'm just waiting for this answer. Please do it in your home while you're watching this video. Please do this answer and please comment on it. This model will be the last model for this video. In this video we will discuss about addition of ratios. Addition of ratios. In these ratios we can means A is to B, we have to add with this A is to B. Before that, for getting this answer we have one rule. What is the rule? Means the summation of ratios must be equal to the another one, means 3 is to 5 and 11 is to 1. ఈ రెండు రేషియోస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ యొక్క రేషియో సమ్మేషన్ అనేది దీనికి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండాలి. మీన్స్ 3 is to 5 how much? 8. 11 is to 1 how much? 12. సో ఈ రెండిటికి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండాలి. Just seeing like this, 8 and 12 are not equal, so we have to make them equal. So 8 ని 3 times మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందండి? 24. అలానే 12 ని 2 times మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందండి? 24. మీన్స్ 24 and 24 it is equal. అంటే ఈ రేషియోని ఇంటూ మనం 2 చేయాలి అండ్ ఈ రేషియోని ఇంటూ 3 చేయాలి. సో 3 is to 5 into 3 and 11 is to 1 into 2 simply. So 3 9s 15 and 22 is 2. So ఇది A is to B and ఇది A is to B. So now you can easily add it. 9 is to 15, 22 is to 2. So 31 is to 17. So final output is 31, means the A plus B will be 31 is to 17. First of all we have to know what is the ratios here. You have to summation the ratio. రెండు కలపాలి. రెండు కలిపి is equivalent గా ఉంటే రెండుటికి రెండు summation ఈ summation అనేది ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటే then you can easily add it. If it is not, then you have to make them equal. Here 3 is to 5 will be 8 and 11 is to 1 will be 12. So రెండు కూడా not equal గా ఉన్నాయి and we are just making it the equal. 8 into 3 గా మనం చేయొచ్చు, అలానే 12 into 2 చేస్తే 24 వస్తుంది. సో means the entire ratio multiplied by 8 and the entire 11 is to 1 ratio multiplied by 2. Then you will get the answer 9 is to 15, 22 is to 2. Then easily you can add this ratio. 9 is to 15, 22 is 2. It becomes 31 is 17. This will be the answer for this question. Let us know about the next question. A is to B 5 is to 8 and A is to B 3 is to 4. Let us know about this. Let's solve this question first. The question number second, 5 is to 8, 3 is to 4. So 5 and 8, if you just summation of 5 and 8 will be 13. Am I right? And 3 and 7. So రెండు ఈక్వల్ కాదు. So we have to make it them equal into 7 into 13. Then it will be equal to each other. Then 7 అనేది ఈ మొత్తాన్ని కూడా ఇంటూ చేస్తుంది, మొత్తాన్ని కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది. 7 will be multiplied to whole ratio and the 13 will be multiplied to the whole ratio. Means here 5 into 7 is 8 into 7. Okay, alane if you just go with that, 3 into 13, 4 into 13. So what is the value of here? 5 7s are 35 and 8 7s are 52. 8 7s are 52. Sorry, 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. And here 3 13s are 39. 4 13s are 52. Just add 35 and 39. Add 56 and 52 because both summation is same. So 35 is 56 and 39 is 52. It can be 74 is 108. It can be 74 is 108. Means final output is 74 is 108. This will be the answer. So these type of sums can be asked in the examination like a group 1 and group 2. Addition of ratios. Addition of ratios is a new topic and that is easy topic if you know the rule. The rule number 1 is that we have to know that both ratios summation must be same. If it is not same, then make it same and then add it. This will be the simple trick for solving this type of questions. This is all for this video and thank you very much for watching this video till end. If you like this video, please like and share this video to your friends and please subscribe this Vitamin IAS Academy, and we will provide so many videos like this and so many subjects also. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Please subscribe this Vitamin IAS Academy.